Today we will learn how you can use option chain data for your stock analysis, for your swing trading or long term investment. Suppose you have chosen a stock which you are going to buy or sell. Sell means in the future or option, or you want to buy in cash market. How you can use option chain data, which is used for generally for future and option. But today I am going to show you the very interesting facts from option chain, that what is option chain and how you can utilize it for your benefit in the stock analysis or swing trading. So first of all, what is option chain? So there are three methods of working in stock market. One is the cash market, where the amount of cash you have, that much only you can buy or sell a stock. But the second thing is future market and option market, where you can take leverage. Suppose you have 2.5 lakhs rupees, but you want to buy a share worth of 10 lakh, you can buy in future market. You have to buy in lots. Each stock had different lot. For TCS it is 175, so 175 shares if you want to buy, you can buy in future market. But there comes the risk also, because if the stocks going down, you have to give that margin to the broker, and lot of things will come into play. So if you don't know much about future and option, it's better to keep be away from this. But that data is very important, because big players are putting their money in future and option market only. They are not putting their money, most of the money, in cash market, because that's an easy thing. If you can buy a thing worth of 10 lakh in 2.5 lakh, and the big player is very sure about his position, and he has a lot bigger team for analysis, why he will buy a cash market thing? If he is buying for long term, he may buy for in the cash market, but he is very sure for 20-30 days, he will better buy in the future market, because there he can leverage, he can make a big position with a small amount of money. So their data you can find out in, if you try to learn this option chain, where this data is reflecting very easily. So first of all, I will show you in National Stock Exchange how it looks, and then we will use one website, Sensible. It is also free. You have to log in with your Gmail ID, or you have to log in with your Jirodha, Grow, Upstocks, these types of account. This is absolutely free. Both are free. Here you have to see in that graphical representation looks good, and it's very clear. And in that NSC side, if you want to see that data, I will teach you how to read this. After that, you will feel that also comparatively okay type. Okay, so if you suppose you have chosen TCS as a stock. So what you have to do is, you have to write in Google TCS option chain NSC. If you write that, this NSC website will come. We will go there, and then this option chain is there. This option chain you click, here comes the option chain. This option chain is for 27th March 2025. For each stocks, there are three expiries available: current month, next month, and far month. Means current month is March, April, and May. This all last Thursday is the expiry. So this is showing here. Suppose you click here, 24th April and 29th May is also showing. But for the stocks, this last month na, 29th May, here much data is not there, because people don't want to trade in that much far period. Their liquidity is not there. Better you stick to the current month data, because current month have the most amount of data and liquidity. So what is the option chain? Option chain shows that how many quantities of put and call are available to trade in any stock or index. Currently traded contracts, it shows. How it shows? The middle thing is strike price. The middle, the you can see that this column, this represent the strike price. For TCS, every 50 strike price, there is call and put options are available: 3150, 3200, 3250. Like this middle column is showing the strike price. Now this side all data is for call option, and the other side this data is for the put option. Okay, this is important for our today's learning. Now the two more things which are important for today's learning are OI data and change in OI data. This is both side it is shown for call and put. These two are for the put option, and these two are for the call option. Now what is an OI and what is change in OI? Suppose I want to buy a call option of 2900 strike price of TCS. I want a seller. If I want to buy, I need a seller to sell who is sure that TCS will fall, and I am sure that TCL will go up. So we both will exchange the contract, and there will be one contract generated with a buy and sell. That is called OI at 2900 strike price. That is OI. Currently no OI is available, means nobody is trading in these strike prices. Here OI is 9, means 9 open contracts are there at the strike price of 3000, means 9 people or 9 numbers of contracts have been sold and buy both together. And this 3 is showing what is the change today. Suppose yesterday it was 12, today it is, yesterday it was 6, today it is 9. So 3 quantities have been added, so it is showing that only. Understood, Mansilai? Now bottom will go and relevance I will show. First thing what you can see is that here in call option side, numbers are 4000, 6000 and almost 7000. And the put option side, because this is the current price of the stock is trading near here. These dark color things are there na, these dark color things, these are showing in the money call option, and these light colors are showing in the money, out of the money call option. Similarly, this side in the put option side, this dark color is showing in the money put option, and lighter colors are showing out of the money put option. No worry, leave it. If you are not understanding this, you leave it. That is not important. Our importance things are coming now. Now you have to see that whether in put option side more OI is there or call option side more OI is there. Here you see numbers are 4000, 6000, 7000. This side numbers are 3000 and 3000, means call option side more positions are there, more OI is there. Now how to interpret this? I am telling you, always see OI data as a seller's perspective, that somebody has sold. Even though in OI both seller and buyers are there, you see as somebody has sold higher calls than the put. Why I am telling so? Because for selling an option you need 2 to 2.5 lakh capital, whereas for buying you need only 10,000, 15,000 capital. So if somebody is putting that much amount of money to sell 4,000 contracts of 3,600 call option, he has some data that you and me don't have. He can be wrong, but chances of he's wrong is very less. So always see in the perspective of seller. Now on you see the OI data always in the perspective of option seller. That will make your work very easy. Now you know that call OI is more, put OI is less, so TCS is going to fall from here. It's very hard for TCS to go up with the OI data. You got this result. Okay. Now the second thing is, which are the major resistance level or support level if stock goes up or down. So the highest OI data is here and the bottom here 7000. So these strike prices are 4000. 4000 is very far away, so people will write, but the nearest you see that 3600 is a very big resistance level. After that 3700 is the resistance level, and support if you see that 3400 is the support which TCS can take. But now next we'll see, next is if you have to come to the bottom and see the total of all strike price, total of all strike price OI data, you will see 48,000 quantities of call option OI is there, and 31,000 is the OI data total. Here also you can see that call has very high number than the put side, so it also shows that TCS can be bearish from here. Okay. Now this data reading is very confusing, it can be confusing. So you can use Sensible app, sensible.com. You have to open, it's free website, you have to log in, and you need not to purchase anything. You have to write here any stock, or like TCS we were searching, so TCS we will write and we will search TCS. So TCS already it is open, and here you see OI and OI change is written, OI change and open interest is written. So you have to click this open interest. Now this data will come. Now these red towers are showing the call option open interest and the green towers are showing the put option open interest. Here in this vertical axis, y side axis, it is shown as 12 lakh quantity, 10 lakh quantity, like in lakhs quantity is shown. This is including both expiries, current month and next month expiry. Okay. Now here it is clearly visible that call side more OI is there, put side lesser OI is there. This shows that this stock can go down from here because higher calls are there. Mansilai, understood? Mansilai means understood, I told in previous video. So now the next thing is, what are the major levels? So the major levels are these levels. These are the major levels, 3700, 800, and support levels are very weak compared to the resistance levels. So stock has a higher tendency to go down. Now you select some other stock for understanding the other side, how it looks when the stock can go up. So HDFC Bank, if you search, here you see that green color tower is very big. Then you can analyze that at 1700 very high put OI is there, put open interest. So it shows that 1700 is a very strong support for HDFC Bank and the resistance is at 1800. So stock can go up to 1800 and then it will test the 1800. There you have to see the price action, how it is behaving. Suppose 1800 it will clear, then there is no major resistance and the stock has very strong support at 1700, that you got to know with the OI data. Now today what change happened in the stock? Today what change happened after today's market analysis, 4th March, what changed? So that if you want to know, you can see that OI data has increased at 1710 and 1720. At the price of stock is at 1710, but put option are increasing at 1720 also, higher than the spot price. So stock can cross 1720 and go higher, and these two strike prices, the OI data has decreased. Okay, but you have to see in open interest. Here open interest you have to click and see that where the most of the open interest is there, 1700. So 1700 is a far more important than these levels where OI data is decreasing. Here already it is less, but this level where it is higher and 1720, this level where stock has just reached or reaching, there also put options are writing, means stock can cross this and go higher. This is what you can interpret from an option chain data very easily with this Sensibull. Now suppose you are in Nifty and Bank Nifty trading also you can use, and you can see that both sides similar data are there, means stock can Nifty can be sideways and it can be between 22,000 to 2200 for this expiry. If you change the expiry to 13th, the data will change and it is showing that higher put options are there than the call option. Call options are lesser than the put option. So Nifty can reach up to this level. This is which level? 22,500, and after that this very big resistance is there. So Nifty can again hit this level, hit this wall and come back, or if it will try to break this, if it successfully break that, then you have to see that what are the next OI data which can act as a resistance level. So hope you like this video. I tried to give very simply that you can understand. People who have seen first time option in chain also maybe understood that what is option chain, what is mota moti OI interest, OI data, how to see in Sensibull, how to use it in swing trading, which are the important levels, and how you can predict that whether stock is going to fall or going to up. Okay, so we'll see you in next video. You comment me and tell me which topic you want me to make videos where you are facing problems in stock market. Learn and earn, this is the motto of our channel. First you have to learn, then only you will earn. And the second thing which I used to tell is stock market is a skill. You have to give time, you have to learn this. Once you learn this skill, you can use it for your lifetime, even till your kids, grandkids, Allah, kids in law, what we told, I don't know. You can pass them these skills, because this is the thing, once you learn, Today's video, whatever you have learned, now you get kids, their kids also can learn because you will teach them. So this video you can use it for lifetime. Such types of video I like to make, which after 10 years 20 years also somebody is coming and seeing, it will be some value he will get. Okay, so we'll see you in next video. We'll make such videos and we will make you profitable one day if you try to learn and give time and analyze this data. You use it now, you have seen na, so go and just test it with 10 stocks and don't make position, just see this whether it is working, whether what is happening at that levels. I told you that Nifty has this strong support at 22,000. So you see what happened today, 4th March, when Nifty touched 22,000, whether it touched, whether yesterday it touched, whether tomorrow it will touch, how it will react, how people will come and buy at that level, how Nifty will behave up at 22,500, whether your stock is behaving as per open interest data, that and all you learn. Okay, so hope you like this video. Consider subscribing the channel and share it with your friends, family group, so that they can also learn and earn and use the stock market as a tool to create wealth, not just income. All the best.